For this tutorial, you are gonna need a breadboard and Arduino Nano, a servo motor, and bunch of jumper wires. Here we have. So I have to upload the program. Also a cable for the Arduino Nano, and it's a mini USB cable connected with the Arduino Nano. Now place the Arduino Nano on the breadboard like that, and connect the servo motor with jumper wires. This yellow wire is the signal wire, which will be connecting to the digital pin 9 of the Arduino, and the middle one is the positive wire, positive 5 volt we will apply on it, and the last one is the ground wire. See all the connections. So now connect all these wires to the Arduino Nano. Connect this positive wire to the 5 volt of the Arduino, and this wire goes to ground of the Arduino. Just came out. And this yellow wire is a signal wire, go to the digital pin 9 of the Arduino. Here on the computer screen, open this website called tinkercad.com. Go to circuits, click on create new circuits. Let's put this servo here. Now bring in the Arduino and servo motor. Here we have. Just position it according to your need and connect this ground wire to the ground of the Arduino. There we go. And power to positive 5 volt. There it is. And this signal wire go to the digital pin 9 of the Arduino, which is a pulse width modulation pin. Change their colors. Now go to the Arduino IDE, go to files, go to example, and moving on, and find the servo and click on sweep. You will find this code and upload this code to Arduino as well, and copy this code and paste in Tinkercad code section. Here, and now start the simulation. You will see this motor will take turn to 180 degree and come back to its original position, and I will upload the code to Arduino Nano as well. But first you have to select from the tools Arduino Nano and bootloader and board, which I didn't have selected yet because our Arduino Nano is not connected. So first plug in the Arduino Nano and now select the port, which is from port 8, and upload this code. When you upload this code, you will see servo is taking turn here. Code is uploading now. Servo is taking turn 180-degree turn and coming back to its original position. Same here on the simulation on the Tinkercad website. You can go and you can do that yourself, and it's working pretty fine. Circuit diagram and schematic and the code is also given in the description, but you can find it in Arduino IDE as well. And go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching, and keep watching for more future videos.